Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3-Set Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change massage intensity on your XPeng vehicles. So I am on the XPeng P7 Plus Performance. Now go over into the settings here and go to the seat and go to massage. If you want to change your massage intensity, as you guys can see, you can do it here and it will automatically enable the massage. So here we have the massage intensity low. We can switch it to high. And also, this is for the driver's seat. We can easily do the same for the passenger seat. So we can switch it here. And as you guys can see, let me just quickly turn off the massage. As you guys can see, we can do the same for the back rows. We can select it right here. And that's it. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.